Hello, fellow travelers. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just starting to dream about your next getaway, you're in the right place. I'm Samantha Brown, and I've spent years exploring the world and helping others do the same. Over time, I've discovered that the secret to traveling more often and more affordably isn't just about finding cheap flights or last-minute deals. Today, let's talk about a powerful tool that can unlock free flights, hotel stays, upgrades, and unforgettable experiences: the travel credit card. It's not just a piece of plastic. It's a gateway to a world of possibilities. Used wisely, it's your ticket to turning everyday spending, like groceries, gas, and even your morning coffee, into travel rewards that can take you anywhere you want to go. Many people worry about credit cards, but when used responsibly, a travel card can save you hundreds or even thousands on your next trip. It's all about understanding how to maximize the benefits while avoiding the common pitfalls. This guide will demystify travel rewards and show you how to turn daily expenses into your next adventure. We'll break down the basics, share insider tips, and help you make the most of every euro you spend. Here at Travel Partner, we're dedicated to helping you travel smarter. So consider subscribing for more tips, inspiration, and real-world advice from fellow travelers who've been there. Our goal today is simple: break down what travel credit cards are, how they work, and the incredible benefits they offer. We'll also touch on how to choose the right card for your lifestyle and travel goals. We'll show you how to earn $500 or more in travel value, qualify for a card, use it wisely, and avoid common mistakes that can cost you rewards. Plus, you'll learn how to keep your credit healthy along the way. By the end, you'll feel confident and ready to start earning rewards for your dream vacation. So grab your passport, get comfortable, and let's dive in together. What sets a travel credit card apart from your regular card? At first glance, they might look similar, but travel credit cards are designed with explorers in mind. They come packed with features and perks that go far beyond simple spending. It's all about the rewards. These cards are tailored to help you earn points, miles, or cashback every time you make a purchase, especially on travel-related expenses. With every euro you spend, you earn points or miles for flights, hotels, and more. Some cards even offer bonus points for booking flights, staying at partner hotels, or dining out while you travel. Think of it as a loyalty program for your entire life, not just your coffee shop. Every purchase, big or small, brings you closer to your next adventure. Use your card for everyday purchases, groceries, gas, online shopping, and watch your rewards grow. Even your daily routine can help you save up for your dream trip. The beauty is, you're not spending extra. You're just earning on what you already buy. It's a smart way to make your regular expenses work harder for you. Over time, these points can fund real adventures, turning routine expenses into travel opportunities. Imagine booking a flight or hotel stay using points you earned just by living your life. Travel cards are for anyone who dreams of exploring more, making travel affordable and frequent. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your very first trip, there's a card out there for you. Choose the right card, use it responsibly, and it becomes your passport to new experiences. Many cards also offer extra perks like travel insurance, airport lounge access, and no foreign transaction fees. Make your money work for you and see more of the world. With a travel credit card, every swipe brings you closer to your next destination. Travel credit cards offer rewards in three main forms: miles, points, and cashback. Each type of reward works a little differently, and understanding how they fit your travel goals can help you get the most value from every swipe. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a hotel enthusiast, or just want to save on everyday purchases, there's a reward system designed for you. Miles are usually tied to specific airlines, great if you're loyal to one carrier. Earning miles means you can redeem them for flights, seat upgrades, or even airport lounge access. Some cards even offer bonus miles for spending in certain categories like travel or dining, helping you rack up rewards faster if you stick with your favorite airline. Points, offered by banks, are flexible and can be transferred to various airlines or hotels. This flexibility is perfect for travelers who like to shop around for the best deals or switch up their travel plans. You can often transfer points to multiple loyalty programs, giving you more options and sometimes even better value. You can use points for flights, hotels, or even book directly through the card's travel portal. Some programs let you redeem for experiences, car rentals, or gift cards, making points a versatile choice for all kinds of travelers. Cashback is the simplest. Earn a percentage of your spending back as cash or statement credit. There's no need to worry about blackout dates or complicated redemption rules. Cashback can be used for anything, from booking a last-minute hotel to covering travel expenses, or even just saving for your next adventure. Use cashback for any travel expense, no restrictions. It's straightforward and easy to manage, making it a favorite for those who want rewards without the hassle. Which is best? If you love one airline, go for miles. Want flexibility? Choose points. If you prefer to keep things simple and always know what you're getting, cashback is the way to go. Prefer simplicity? Cashback is for you. But remember, the best card is the one that matches your spending habits and travel dreams. There's no single right answer. Pick what matches your travel style. Think about where you want to go, how you like to travel, and what kind of rewards will actually help you get there. The perfect card is the one that helps you travel your way. It should make your journeys smoother, more affordable, and more enjoyable. Rewards aren't just numbers. They're your ticket to new adventures. Every point, mile, or dollar back brings you closer to your next unforgettable trip. Choose wisely and start earning toward your next trip. With the right strategy, your everyday spending can open the door to a world of travel possibilities. Here's how you can turn a new travel credit card into $500 of free travel. Most cards offer a welcome bonus, like 50,000 points, if you spend a set amount, say $3,000, in the first few months. Use your card for regular expenses, groceries, rent, utilities, to meet this requirement without extra spending. Once you hit the target, those bonus points are yours. Typically, 50,000 points equal about $500 in travel value, enough for a round-trip flight or a weekend getaway. Plus, you'll earn even more points on your spending along the way. The key: pick a card with a strong welcome offer and use it for your normal purchases. That first $500 in travel rewards is closer than you think. Ready to get started? Here's how to qualify for a travel credit card. Banks look at your credit score and history. Paying bills on time is crucial. If you're new to credit, start with a beginner card to build your score. Use it for small purchases and pay in full every month. Your score will improve over time. Income matters too. Show you have steady earnings to handle monthly payments. Be honest about your income. It helps determine your credit limit. Research cards that fit your profile. Websites like NerdWallet can help. Don't apply for too many cards at once. Start with one, build your history, and expand as your goals grow. With patience and smart choices, you'll qualify for great rewards. Once you have your card, focus on earning the welcome bonus first. Plan to meet the minimum spend using regular expenses, groceries, bills, subscriptions, even rent if possible. Don't buy things you don't need. Just channel your usual spending through the card. After the bonus, maximize rewards by using your card for categories with extra points, like dining or travel. Offer to pay for group outings and have friends reimburse you. More points for you. Stay organized with a spreadsheet or app to track spending and rewards. Subscribe to Travel Partner for ongoing tips and strategies. Every euro spent brings you closer to your next adventure. Earning rewards is exciting, but responsible use is essential. Always pay your bill in full and on time. Interest charges can wipe out your rewards. Treat your card as a payment tool, not a way to borrow money. Keep your card info safe, especially when traveling. Use secure networks and set up transaction alerts. Check your statements regularly to spot errors or fraud quickly. Most card issuers offer strong fraud protection, but you must report issues promptly. Stick to your budget. Don't overspend just to earn points. Use your credit card like a debit card. Only spend what you can pay off. Responsible habits mean you enjoy rewards without financial stress. The real win is traveling debt-free. Smart use unlocks a world of benefits. Before you get swept up in rewards, know the costs. Many travel cards have annual fees ranging from $95 to $500 plus, but perks often outweigh the cost. Compare the value of benefits, like free hotel nights or checked bags, to the fee. There are also great no-fee cards if you're just starting out. Watch out for high interest rates. Pay in full to avoid them. Foreign transaction fees can add up when traveling. Look for cards with no such fees. A 3% fee on international purchases can eat into your savings. The best travel cards waive these fees, saving you money abroad. Read the fine print and choose a card that fits your travel plans. We've covered the essentials of travel credit cards and how to unlock your first $500 in rewards. The best card is the one that matches your spending and travel style. Don't just chase big bonuses. Start simple. Pick one flexible card, earn the welcome bonus, and pay your bill in full. As you gain experience, explore advanced strategies like transferring points for better value. Travel is about enriching experiences. Rewards just make it more accessible. Use your card as a tool to say yes to more adventures, not as a source of debt. For more tips and inspiration, subscribe to Travel Partner. The world is waiting. Start planning your next journey today. With the right card and smart habits, your dream trip is within reach. Safe travels and happy earning.